Good afternoon. Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Yes, so children, yesterday I had explained you all about this topic. Yes, the topic was about birds. Yes, the topic was about birds. Yes, so I had explained the definition even. Yes, these birds are vertebrate animals that have feathers, wings, and beaks. Remember, I had explained it to you all. So, children, the word vertebrate, yes, vertebrate. So, the spelling I had written it in a wrong way. So, the actual spelling of vertebrate is Vertebrate. Okay. So the actual spelling. Okay, so yesterday there was a mistake in I had a bit instead of this word e I had written it a. Yes, so please correct the spelling. Yes, so children, okay, so what are birds? Birds are vertebrate animals that have feathers, wings, and beaks. Yes, so even I had shown you all some of the birds, right? Yes. Which bird is this? Hummingbird, owl, right? Kingfisher. Remember I had shown it to you all. Kingfisher. Yes, I had shown it to you all. Yes, hummingbird, then owl, kingfisher, goldfinch. Yeah, falcon. This is swan. Yes, swan. Parrot. Stork. Remember I had shown you these birds. Ostrich and this, right? Yes, this looks similar to a parrot. Like it looks same like parrot, but it's a different bird. Yeah? Yes. So children, I'll be explaining about them. Yes. So today I'll be explaining about each bird, about their, whatever, where do they live, what do they eat. Yes. So please pay attention. Yes. And relax. Yes. So children, this is a hummingbird. Hummingbirds are birds with no knees. Yes, they do not have knees. Yes, and they have feet with three toes pointing forward and one backward. The toes of hummingbirds do not walk. Yes, they do not walk on the ground or hop like most birds. But what do? They rather shuffle literally, and they use their feet to grip while perching, yes, preening feathers. And during fights, what do? They grab feathers of opponents. Yes, they grab whoever they are fighting with, they grab their feathers. Yes, so which bird is the smallest in the world? It is the bee hummingbird. Yes, it's found only in Cuba. Yes, it is the world's smallest bird, weighing what? How much does it weigh? Only 1.6 grams. They are easily mistaken for bees. People usually mistake them as bees. They are as small as bees, you know. Have you all seen bees? Yes, so they look as small as them. Now, children, do you all want to know some interesting facts about these birds? About this hummingbird? Yes? But before that, do you all want to know why is it called a hummingbird? So, children, the name hummingbird is, you know why is it called hummingbird? It comes from the humming sound from their wings, yes, as they fly. These birds have flexible shoulder joints. Yes, it allows their wings to rotate. Yes, 180 degrees, which enables backwards flight and stationary. Yes, hovering. So, why is it called a hummingbird? Because of their sound. Yes, the hum sound. That's why it's called a. They are called as a hummingbird. So children, as I've told you all about the reason why are they called hummingbirds. So as I have told you all that the humming sound, it comes from their wings, yes, as they fly high above the sky, above the clouds. So yes, so this is why they are being called as, as hummingbird. Yes. So children, now would you all like to know some few fascinating facts about hummingbirds? Yes, so I'll be explaining to you all. Hummingbirds visit hundred of flowers each day. Yes, they visit how many flowers? Hundreds of flowers each day. The second fact, interesting fact is the smallest bird in the world is a hummingbird, and it's lighter than a even in a than a bee. Yes, it's so light in weight. The third fascinating fact is the most hummingbirds beat their wings, yeah, 60 to 80 times per second. Yes. Now, would you all like to know the fifth interesting fact? The fifth it's hummingbirds cannot walk. Yes, hummingbirds cannot walk. Hummingbirds are distinguished, yes, by their size, color, and their their speedy flight. Yes, they are distinguished by what? By their size, color, and the way they fly. Yes. Okay. So now, as I have explained it to you all about the hummingbird, and I have also explained few interesting facts. So now the second bird is, what is this, children? It's an owl. Yes. Have you all seen owl? I think most of you all must have seen, right? This bird. Yes. Yes. So children, what is this? An owl. Yes. Children, owls are birds. Yes. They are birds. They are called birds. As I've told you all, what are birds? Birds are vertebrate animal that have feathers, wings, and beaks. Yes. So this owl, does it have a beak? Yes, beak, feathers. Yes. You all can see over here. Feathers. Yes. See over here. Yes. These are feathers and beak. Yes. It has a beak. Here. Yes. It has a beak. So children, owls, they are called as birds. They are divided into two families. Yes, owl family, they are divided into two families. Children, owls, they haunt mostly small mammals, insects, and other birds. although a few species specialize in hunting, yes, fish. They are found in all the regions of the earth. Children, a group of owls, what are they called? Group of owls, what are they called? They are called a parliament. Parliament, okay? What are they called? They are called a parliament. A group of owls, they are called a parliament. Yes? Now, children, the next bird, what is this? Wow, this is a kingfisher. Yes, this bird, what is it called? Kingfisher. Yes, so children, what is this? Kingfisher. Kingfisher, they have large heads. So children, kingfishers have large heads. Yes, their head is very big and huge. They have long, sharp, pointed bills. Their beaks, can you see the beak? Yes, it's long, sharp, pointed beak. And their legs are short. They have short legs. See, can you all see the legs? Yes, they have short legs. They consume wide range of prey, usually caught. How do they catch the prey? Prey is their food, whoever they want to eat, right? The prey. How do they catch them? They are usually caught by swooping down. They swoop down from a perch. Yes, and then they pluck or they pick it up, by swooping down. Kingfishers are usually Kingfishers are usually thought to live. Where do they live? Near the rivers. They eat fish. Yes, many species living away from water. Yes, they eat fish, and also they eat few insects, animals, especially invertebrates. Yes, so I've explained here what is vertebrates, right? Vertebrates are birds, yes, but what is invertebrates? Invertebrates are animals that do not have backbone. Yes, so invertebrates are animals that do not have backbone. Yes, okay children. So kingfisher, normally they refer to a common kingfisher. They are a common kingfisher. Yes, so children, I have explained you all about owl, kingfisher and hummingbird. Yes, have you all understood? Yes, I hope you all must have understood, right? Yes, so children, the next bird, which is it? Which is our next bird? Next bird is ostrich. Wow, children, what is this? Ostrich. So children, what is a ostrich? Ostrich is also a bird. Ostrich is a large flightless birds. Yes, flightless birds. Why are they called flightless? Because they cannot fly. Yes, they are called as flightless birds. Yes, two living species. Yes, they are a species. They are a living species. Children, do you all know that the ostrich, they are the heaviest and the largest living birds with, adult. Yes, they are an adult. They look like an adult. And how much do they weigh? Do you all know? They weigh around 63.5 and 145 kilogram. Isn't that so big and huge? Yes. So children, 63.5 and 145 kilogram. Yes. And also they lay the largest eggs of any living land animal. They are the fastest birds on land. Yes. Yes, children. So they weigh the largest eggs of any living land animal. Children, also one thing I would like to tell y'all, that they are the fastest birds on land. Yes, even though they cannot fly, but they are the fastest birds on land. Children, you know what do they eat? They mainly eat leafy greens, plants, flowering plants, grasses. Yes, they have. Children, they also, occasionally feed on whatever fallen fruits or small animals, yes, such as mice, lizards, frogs, grasshoppers, and locusts. Locust, yeah. So they usually feed on these too. Yes, children. So you all want to know what is locust? See, locust looks somewhat like this. Yes, it's a short horn grasshopper. Yes, they look like a grasshopper. Yes. So the ostrich, what do? They usually feed on these also. Yes, such i- animals. Yes. So grasshopper is called also as a locust. They are called as a these insects. They are short-horn grasshoppers. They look somewhat like a grasshopper. Yes. So yes, children. Okay. So now what is this bird called? This bird is called a stork. Yes, stork. Yes. So storks. So they are what usually large legged, long necked. Yes. See, I'll show you a few pics. Would you all like to see more types of such birds? Okay. So these are called as storks. Yes, these are. Yes. See, these are storks. Yeah, see? These are called as storks. Yes. So children, storks are large legged, long neck. They have long neck, as you can see. Yes, they have long neck birds with long stout bills. Their beaks are long and sharp. Yes, some nest. Okay, so children, maybe their nests are often very large, their nests are often very large, and they are used for many years. Some nests, they have been known to grow to over 2 meters. Yes, children, what do they eat? Do you know? Do you all know what do they eat? Their foods are small mammals. They have frogs, large insects such as grasshopper, but they eat also reptiles, fish occasionally. Yes, children, the eggs and chicks of ground nesting birds. Yes, if they see any chicks, or in any nest, or in if they see anywhere, so they eat that, or that too. Yes. Yes. So children, I have told you all about this bird. Yes. So now the next bird is parrot. Yes, what is this? Parrot. Yes. Have you seen such birds? Yes. Do you all know about parrot? So children, parrots are colorful birds. Yes. Where do they live? They live in different parts of the world. They are, brilliant birds with colorful feathers, and they squeak they have a loud squeak. Yes, parrots have the intelligence. They mimic human speech. Yes, parrots are very playful animals. Parrots also can live up to how many years? They can live up to 15 to 80 years. Yes. Children, what do they eat? Do you all know what do they eat? Parrot? Parrot, what do they eat? Seeds, fruits. Yes. And many more. Yes. They are omnivores. Yes. Do you all know what is omnivore? So children, omnivores are usually birds who eat meat and plants. Yes, they are both. So they are called omnivores. So children, Widgeon. This is the spelling of Widgeon grass. Yes. Yes. So the grass, usually they feed on such type of grass. What is it called? Widgeon grass. Widgeon grass. Yes. Widgeon. Yes. So this type of grass is called Widgeon grass. They are usually found in water. Yes. They are submerged aquatic grass. Yes. They are thread-like grass. They are thread-like grass. Yes, they are usually submerged. You found in water. Yes, so the such birds like swan. This bird, what do they feed on? This grass also. Okay, widgeon grass. Widgeon grass. Okay. So children, in my next class, I'll be discussing about these birds: pigeon, pelican, yes, and pheasant, yes. All these are new birds for you all, right? Toucan and duck, yes. This also I'll be discussing. Crow, yes. Eagle, dove, yes. So I'll be discussing all these words in my next class. Okay. Owl, this I have discussed already. This also I have discussed. So these birds I'll be discussing in my next class. Okay. So thank you children for joining me today, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more interesting content. Yeah. Thank you.